Christian!
The terrifying moment a man was caught in an avalanche was captured by his GoPro camera in a video by Viral Hog. Christian Michael Mayers was reportedly snowboarding in a closed-off area of the Sugar Bowl Resort in California when he was swept away by snow.
You okay?
Yeah.
Does everything, feel anything?
My ankle hurts.
The snowboarder survived the avalanche but may now be in trouble with the ski resort. According to reports, authorities may seek prosecution against him for allegedly triggering the avalanche in an off-limits area.
Oh, Christian!
The snowboarder has spoken out, saying that he never saw signs saying the area was closed. He also said he spoke with staff at the ski resort on that day to let them know about the avalanche, and nobody ever mentioned prosecution. Be sure to watch Inside Edition.